What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna take off a few parts of the muffler. I just want to see if it'll sound any better, sound any louder. Right now I have a 3-inch exhaust. It's MA Performance, so it's about $1,000 exhaust. So I'm just gonna take off the back parts, see if that sounds any better, any louder, kind of seeing what we're going for. Hey, so if you guys aren't subscribed right now, hit that subscribe button. That'd help out a lot, appreciate it. Here's what the tips kind of sound like with it on. I'm gonna take both these off right here, both these tips off, see if it makes it sound any better. I'll rev it up for you guys. We'll go ahead and take off the back part of these mufflers and see how it sounds, see if it sounds any better. All right, we did it. So, as you guys can see, we took both these off. We're gonna pull it out, see how it sounds. So, saved about 50 or 60 pounds off these things. Oh my God, there's 2 of them. So, save some weight too. Let's see how we can hear it from inside the cab here. Are you scared, Mama? Is it loud?
Don't film
Is it loud? Alright, what I realized is that my exhaust is pointing at my tires, the end of it, and so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off right here and then put this part back on, so we'll have just taken this part off. And voila, so we're gonna put this part back on so it does not shoot exhaust towards my tires anymore. We finished up, we went through one blade and another blade almost. And this is what we're gonna put back on the car so that it's not angled towards my tires anymore. That's pretty loud. I love the crackles and pops.